Oh, to everybody,
finally.
bago kami sumabog ni Bong.
Ay, nga pala, no? Isang Hawaiiano.
Okay?
So, finally, nag-meet kami ni Rostum. Hopefully, yung mga taga-East Coast, we create a reunion.
Yes.
Alright? See you guys.
Iboto nyo siya, okay?
Alright, man.
Sige, bye! Sige. Ingit lang kayo.
Okay. Sige, man.
Okay.
Alright, introduce yourself. Come on. Kevin?
Hi, I'm Kevin.
Kevin, this is Kevin, Rostum's kid. And
Rachel.
the eldest daughter,
Hi.
Rachel. There you go. And
Jordan.
Conan. There you go, sir. This is Marie and Rostum.
Hello.
Hello there. Oy, bumati ka, Rostum, sa mga...
Video mo yan? Okay.
Oo, bumati ka.
Hello.
Bumati ka.
Alright.
Bumati ka sa mga taga-klase natin.
Hello there. Finally, I got to meet Bong.
Okay.
We had a great time. Hopefully, we'll see each other again.
Soon. In
yeah.
New York this time.
Okay.
Alright, say bye.
Bye.
There you go. Alis na sila, Rostum. So, kita kami muli. Alright, that's about it, guys. Nakita rin kami finally ni Rostum Sangala. Alright?